Assalamu alaikum, guys. What's going on, guys? I'm Mohammed, and this is Princess Hala. She's a princess. Everyone knows she's a princess. If you don't know, she's a princess. Damn it.
Thank you.
You're missing out. Get to know my wife. So this is my wife, Hala.
Yeah.
Okay? So today we got a cool game, and this game is what?
Never have I ever.
Never have I ever. Ask my wife questions. I'm gonna ask her a question and she's gonna ask me a question. So we're gonna play this game. Let's go! Who you guys think is gonna win? All I wanna ask you guys is subscribe, share,
Subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Comment, like, whatever, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So do what you gotta do. So here we go. Come on in. Anyway, we wanna thank you so much for watching our channel. Please do what he do.
Yeah.
Do what he do.
What to do?
Okay, here we are. So
Yeah.
the first question I want to ask my wife is, never have I ever played hooky from school or work. Hooky
No.
dookie, hooky
Hooky
hooky.
is like making up. So no, I've never. Never have I ever played hooky from school or work. Never.
That's a good question. Have
Never.
you ever
Never.
played hooky?
Never.
Never? What do you think? What do you think for me? What do you think my answer is?
Don't be stupid.
I bet. Oh yeah, I've done hooky, you know. In school.
Yeah. I
boys,
mean, yeah, you can be honest with yourself.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
One time, I mean, I don't know if it counts. A girl kissed me on the cheeks.
Well, here you go.
She was
again.
like, "Oh my God, Mohammed! Oh damn!"
Okay, whatever.
No.
It says never have I ever stolen anything.
I
I mean, we all have been in this position.
right.
So, I mean, no one is innocent when it comes to stealing. So yeah.
I mean, so you have not?
I have a little kid, like very little, just to like.
Oh,
Maybe I stole my mom cookie, right? Or
You're a
you
thief.
It's
You
just-
what did you steal?
It could be like my mom's makeup, or
Oh,
you know, like cookie that she made, some booze.
that doesn't count. That's
know?
not stealing.
That is when they tell you not to take it, and then you just like go behind their back and take it.
Really?
Yeah, and steal it.
I would say
It doesn't need to be like. You know.
I thought about stealing, you know, but
Don't lie, you've probably been in that route.
I've never stolen anything. I've never stolen. Everything I have, I've worked hard
You
for.
have. You know what he stole? He stole my heart.
That's what I'm talking about. I still hard.
Okay, next question.
Okay, next question.
Never have I missed a flight. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I almost missed my flight.
Really?
Yeah, I almost missed the flight. I actually almost missed a flight to, I think it was Canada I was going to. I was making my way to Turkey.
Oh, really?
With my teacher. It was just me and just two of my teachers.
Right.
And we were in a rush and we almost, like, not like fully, but almost missed a flight.
Wow.
Yeah, it was like almost.
That missing a flight just gives me anxiety. Like I get anxiety just remembering like almost missing a flight. And I did miss a flight, but it's just terrible. Like no one.
So yours wasn't almost. Yours was like
mine.
completely.
Yeah, like I literally missed a flight,
Wow.
and I was going to like another country, and you know when you pay so much for a flight, and you know you don't want to, you try like to be there like 3 hours early, 2 hours early, whatever the case may be, and then you miss it, and you miss your flight. It's kind of like hard, you know, and you're just like, and you're excited, and you know you can't wait, and then you just like, and they tell you, hey, you missed your flight. It's like, you know,
Yeah.
it's like heartbreaking. Like my heart was broken, man. They should have put me on first class. You know, I didn't expect that for them to do that, but
Yeah.
that wasn't the case.
That wasn't the case.
Right.
Sorry for him.
Next question. What are you gonna ask me today?
Never
babe?
have I drunk dialed my ex. Okay, so
Ever what?
drunk dialed my ex.
Like,
I don't drink.
Drank with the ex?
Drunk, like drunk dial.
Oh,
You know?
pass.
Yeah. Let's get out of that habit now.
No, yeah, that's gotta be a pass.
Yeah, okay, so never have I ever lost a bet. I did.
You did?
Yes.
Like what kind of bet did you like?
This was a bet about math, like
what?
Math. Like, you know. So this was
who gets the best grade or something?
Yeah,
like
this
that?
was more like who scored the highest in math.
Oh,
and
right, in class.
If they don't, they have to like stand in the hallway and scream that they're a dummy.
Oh,
and this was like in college.
Oh, really?
Yeah, in front of everybody. So.
Jeez, that's crazy. This is what it takes to do a YouTube video, and we do it for you guys.
Okay, that's another video.
You better like this video. Sweating.
Okay, so next question. Okay, never have I ever gotten lost alone in a foreign country.
Oh, it happens to me all the time. I get lost, and I don't care. That's the best part. Especially when the other person doesn't speak English, or the place you go, the country you go to, and those people don't speak English. It's rough, man. But you know what? That's the excitement. You learn that way. So, what about you?
I've never been lost in a country.
Right.
No, I would never get myself in that position. But I have gotten lost as a kid. I held a stranger hand instead of my dad. The market, but not in a country. No, it was more like supermarket.
That's why when you're young. Yeah, when you're young.
I was little. I
don't think it counts.
It don't. But I was trying to share that with you guys. So.
Right. So she's never got lost.
So never. That's a never.
No. This
okay,
is what we
so
do for
this
you
is never have I ever bribed someone. Oh, okay.
Bribed? I like what? Who?
I bribed my siblings.
Oh, you like your brothers?
Yeah, to like do me a favor and like not tell, and I would like give them something else in return.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I bribed them.
Yeah, I you know what?
Especially when at that moment, like you really need whatever. Like especially at the moment when you really like say you want to hang out with your friends, you want to do something.
Right.
Your only option or way is to bribe your siblings so you don't get caught.
Oh wow. As far as bribing, I thought about it. I mean, I asked, like at a job. I bribed my boss, but that was a fail. Already,
really?
He was just like, no. He's like, no, don't even think about it. I know where you're going with this, but don't even think about it.
Okay, that's good.
I mean, right now, yeah. When I was young, I used to bribe my brothers all the time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I used to bribe my brothers. I would be like, hey, you know what? Give me a bike. I give you, $10. Give me.
I wouldn't bribe them on that. I'd take that shit.
Yeah, I was bribing because they were assholes, man. Okay. Like when you're young, like brothers like assholes.
They'll be like, really? Like,
and you're like the nicest person. You're like the nice person in the family, and then like all your brothers are assholes. You know how it is. And then when you grow up, that was, oh my goodness, I'm sweating. I don't know what I ate today. Probably is that butter I ate this morning.
Nah, he popped the Molly.
Pop that.
Pop Molly, whole place get bloody up. Fully psycho, top of them no give a fuck. Any gun go touch that hot the.
How you guys doing today? Like, are you guys having a good day? Like.
Okay, next question.
Okay.
Never have I ever cheated on someone. So I've never cheated on someone. This is actually my first relationship.
I'm her first.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be last. Stop hitting on my wife, alright? Don't be DMing her. Hell no. Block.
So basically, he's my first relationship, my first man that I've been in a relationship with, and my first husband.
Right.
So I've never actually been on a relationship. So yeah, I never cheated on anyone. So.
As far as me, I cheated on people.
It's really nothing to be like happy about cheating.
No, I mean like I was like, you know what? I cheated because I ate their favorite food, and I knew like I had to lose weight, but I was like, you know what? This cake look good. That's my girl cake.
No, they mean cheated at it like cheated with someone.
Yeah, no, I know.
Maybe in your past you was like not thinking straight, but
No, I didn't cheat. I mostly people I've been with you know, like
Cheated
my
on
wife, I love, you know, so
What you trying to say?
pass that one. No, like
no, start that over. Cause
like,
it
I
seemed
don't-
like you meant like you were cheating on me. Like start
no,
over.
I'm saying like I don't cheat. Like I love just the way I love my wife.
But with someone like they're basically saying like in your past relationship.
Nah, I don't cheat.
Okay,
I
so
don't cheat.
he never cheated. I never cheated.
No.
There's gonna be a lot of.
I cheat on the math test, but I ain't cheat on no one.
Okay.
I am not cheating.
So people
I'm
watching
not
this
a
video
cheater.
will comment, you know, if they ever been in a relationship with you, you know.
Yeah, right.
No one ever been in a relationship with me, so I have nothing to worry about, you know.
Yeah.
I never made a promise to anybody.
Yeah, they should be happy I didn't cheat. So.
Yeah,
you know
that's your past relationship.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this thing.
Go Johnny. Nah, let me stop.
So never have I ever sang a karaoke. We did. Remember karaoke?
Yeah, we love karaoke.
Yeah,
I
during
love
our
karaoke.
first date, like you know, while we were together, he took me to a nice karaoke place.
Right.
And we ate, you know, this was like the New Year's, right?
Yeah,
This was like the New Year's.
It was like a New Year's Eve and.
Yeah, it was like our alone time. We
Right.
sang, you know, danced, ate.
Yeah,
It was a lot of fun.
Right, we had an awesome night. Like me and my wife were just
Yeah, awesome night.
letting it loose. You know what I mean? We were
At
just,
the time, I wasn't his wife, but you know, that's where the ring came
we
in.
ain't gonna tell no one. Okay, next. Damn, this slide is like literally.
Okay,
like,
never
it's
have I ever.
taking all my makeup off. Nah, I'm kidding. I don't wear makeup.
Okay, never have I. Don't play me like that.
No, real men don't wear makeup.
Never have I ever broken a bone.
Ouch. I know.
No, I've never broken. A bone.
I
I've
almost
never
did, but
broken.
really,
I've never broken.
I almost did, but I've no.
You would notice if I've broken a bone, but I've never.
No, not me. I got all my bones, Felicia. Bye now.
Yeah, baby, this is good to be like, you know, I know it's funny, but you don't want people to think that other thing. So,
What, they think
never have I lived alone. I've never lived alone. I've lived with my mom, like, straight.
Yeah, her mom is, you know, very religious, very sentimental. She's very restricted. No,
Okay, that's like Islamically, you're making it seem like it's funny.
Yeah, no, it's not funny. Just
Let's be
as
serious.
a woman, like I get it, but as
Yeah,
a man,
as a...
I say I lived. I've lived by myself.
Never have I lied to a boss.
I think we answered that.
No, we
lie.
didn't.
Yeah, you gotta lie to your bosses.
I lied to my boss all the time. Not all the time, but sometimes when I needed it. Like when I was taking an exam, I had to lie the fact that I was sick. Because there is no way, like, my work is gonna stop me from studying.
Right, yeah, you gotta lie.
Like, you really
gotta
gotta
lie to
lie
your boss.
sometimes, yeah.
Because you don't want to tell them everything because they're very nosy.
Like, take care of something, lie, and finish what you gotta finish.
Right.
Never have I ever crashed a wedding. Ooh.
I tried. No,
Really?
I'm kidding.
I was like,
No,
what wedding did you
I was
crash?
never like a type of person to go to wedding. I get invited usually used to get invited, but
You never crashed a wedding.
never crashed a wedding. I wanted to. I want to. If your ex treated you bad, girl, call
Dead
me.
ass?
Yeah, that ass. Call me.
Damn, Hamid, you
Call me.
like,
I will go in
want-
there, crash that wedding. I will go in there and just, you know how it is, girl. I
And
get your back.
okay, so next question: have I ate an entire pizza by myself?
Ooh.
I'm gonna say this one. I am a fat ass when it comes to food. I don't care what anybody says. I'll eat the way I want to eat.
Right.
You know, cause you know, I don't play with my food.
Yeah.
You know,
She don't play
if
with
I,
food.
I
see
really
that.
don't. You know, I'm not with that whole. You know, if you're eating somewhere, you have to be all mannered. No.
Nah.
You know, cause imagine going to a wedding and you got this whole food that you want to devour.
Yeah.
And you're looking all pretty. You're gonna like starve yourself just to walk out knowing you can eat that. No, I can't. I'm gonna eat good food, and you know what I mean. I don't play with my food. If you know me, I don't play with my food, and I'll eat the way I want to eat.
Right. There are some people like that. They be like, I'm watching my weight, girl.
And I watch my weight too
I
at the same time.
like, you know,
But I eat the way I want to eat.
guys be standing there, be like, oh she gonna be starving.
No, because you know, there's some guys that hate like on a woman how she eats. They be like, oh, I don't want a woman
See,
who eats
I
like
hate that.
You know, they be like, I don't know who ate that. But then they're the first fathers to be like down a whole side of biddies, not giving, you know what I mean? Like they have biddies in their beard everywhere.
Yeah.
You know, they eat the same way as a woman, but they don't want that type of woman.
Yeah, you wanna be, you know, you wanna eat, but make sure you take your food, sit down somewhere and eat. You know, don't eat standing up and like an animal. You know, I don't like that. You know, take your food, sit down, then tear it up. You know, make sure nobody's watching.
Nah, I don't.
Halim be like, what
she'll be like,
what he leave me out. No, has mahawa. He leave me out. Malay wa miss wala sahango hafula hawin or fulas. Nah, you don't want to be like that. You want to just.
Never have I given or received a lap dance.
I'm about to give right now.
Ass so fat, need a lap dance. Ass so fat, I
Give
need a
that
lap
video.
dance.
No, I've. Yeah.
Okay, so never have I given or received a lap dance. I received a lap dance.
You have now.
I received a lap dance, but I've never. Let me stop. Received.
By me.
I mean, a couple.
Thank you very much.
In private with my husband, I give him a lot of lap dance if he loves it.
Yeah, I mean
I give them that pum pum.
Yeah.
At least that. We're gonna delete this a lie. I've never. Never have I ever given or received a lap dance.
Well, she just did
Let's
now.
skip that. Right?
She just did now. She just received a lap dance.
Diddy, stop.
By me.
Diddy, stop.
You just did. They just see. Everybody just saw it.
We're not gonna put that on the clip.
Okay.
Ed, well, like your dad's gonna be watching this. Never have I made a speech in front of 100 people or more.
I mean.
Have you?
Well, I mean, like my high school graduation, probably I have.
Really? You gave a speech?
Yeah, but I've
Really?
never. Yeah, but I've never.
Were you like Val and Victoria?
I was young then, you know. But,
Were you Val and Victoria?
No.
Oh, you just gave like a speech because.
Yeah, I just gave it because they just like, hey, what do you want to say, man? I just like, well.
Did you remember your speech?
Shit just don't work out. No, no. You just like, you know, just be like, you know, are you excited? What's your future? What are you?
Oh, like
what are
like,
your goals?
Yeah,
and stuff? Yeah, like, and then like, what can you tell these students, stuff like that. But
never have I ever had sex on the beach.
whoo, skip.
Yeah, let's skip that.
We'll skip that question. I'm a bit thirsty.
Okay, let me just like it says never have I ever worn someone else's underwear. Never.
That's disgusting.
That is really disgusting.
Don't do it. Don't wear somebody's underwear.
You don't want to carry them HIV, STDs,
unless you're 90 years old and you're pooping on yourself. Then you can wear your wife's underwear, maybe.
Never have I ever deleted.
Don't show it, people.
So never have I ever deleted a post on social media because it didn't get enough likes. Let's see who's guilty.
I'm not shallow, so I don't really care. What about you?
No, I never deleted a pic because of its like it had low likes. No, I used to delete pics because I thought it wasn't as nice or vibrant than my other pictures.
Right, yeah.
You know, you want something consistent and nice on your, like, it could be Snapchat or Instagram. And
Baby, just relax.
I can't touch you. I can't touch you.
Okay. Baby.
Never have I ever regretted an apology.
For all those who did me wrong, I don't regret. I don't regret saying that.
Yeah, I mean, you should because, you know, don't regret because, you know, it's good for you to like say that. It gives, you know.
You guys can go to hell. No, I don't care. I really don't care. Anybody who did, I regret. Like, I don't regret anything. Like, if anything, it's like, you know, I either.
Okay, tell me.
I don't know. Yeah, next.
Dude, so there's not a time you regret an apology?
Yeah, when, you know, like, I hated someone and I wanted, didn't want to apologize, but then I apologized and then they just did the same thing that I didn't like again, and I just like regret it. So
I apologized for something I didn't really do.
right.
And thinking back to it, it made me feel like shit. You know?
Yeah.
It was more like they had to apologize to me, and at the time I was really too nice to like to just let them do that to me.
Right.